टेक्निक्स ऑफ माइंड मैपिंग। माइंड मैपिंग की टेक्निक्स: कंप्यूटर माइंड मैप टेक्निक, हेरार बेस्ड माइंड मैप technique, creative thinking mind map technique, and mnemonic mind map technique. Now discuss all of these four in detail. Hierarchy based mind map technique. A hierarchy based mind map technique is similar to a flow chart. Through a function, it acts as a dynamic graphical outline that helps the user organize his thoughts. In effect, it takes the old hierarchical outline, make it into a graphical, and adds a free flow aspect to it as one idea branch off from another. Creative thinking mind map technique. Creative thinking mind map utilized all the creative thinking skills. Mnemonic mind map technique. The word mnemonic means mindful. Mnemonic technique involve the user of imagination and association in order to produce a new and memorable image. Computer mind map technique. Computer based mind mapping software enables the to arrange information in expandable topic tree. It enables to embed document, links, notes, and other data within the structure of map, transforming it into the equivalent of a powerful visual database.